Congratulations on purchasing your new GPS tracker, the Ti-6000 from Tracksinc. This is an unboxing video to help you get started. First thing you're going to see when you open it is an instruction manual. This gives you instructions on how to activate the tracker. The tracker will not operate without a monthly subscription, so that's the first thing you'll do. You'll be asked in the email to give your last 5 digits of the IMEI number, which is located here on the back. The first thing you want to do is charge the unit for 9 hours using the supplied cord. You get a USB charger and a wall plug. And this thing with the 3M strips on it is for use only if you're attaching it to something that is non-magnetic. Once you're ready to use the tracker, you have to make sure that the power is on. There's a little switch up top here, or a flap. Pull that open, you'll see a little power switch. Press that down for about 7 seconds and you'll see the blue lights come on. Next thing you're going to notice to let you know it's on is this little red light. It'll start to flash quickly, then slowly. Your Ti-6000 has an IPX5 waterproof rating, but it's not watertight. So make sure the cover is on tight here. And even if for a little bit of extra protection, before you place it on the vehicle, put it in a Ziploc bag. That'll keep it watertight. This part here is where the magnets are, and you're going to want to stick that onto the metallic part underneath the vehicle. And the best place to put this is underneath the back bumper. The GPS electromagnetic waves will pass through glass and plastic, but they will not pass through metal. They will bounce off the concrete, so under the back bumper is usually the best place to put it. And make sure that you have it flat, parallel to the ground, not up and down. When it's up and down, any sort of force will cause it to disconnect, but when it's flat, any forces will not make it pop off. So thank you once again. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at gps@cmyfleet.com.